Mm.
Really? You've been eating that same piece for 45 minutes.
Is it a crime to want to savor our last meal together?
I had Thanksgiving dinner with you. Now you keep up your end of the deal and give me your car keys.
I should probably teach her how the clutch works. It's finicky.
Quit stalling and give me your keys.
Fine. I'm stalling. But don't you want to hear how my story ends?
I've read the newspaper. You murdered your siblings. And your coven sent you to live in this prison world.
My family sent me to this prison world. My father